Yes, good day everyone once again. My name is David Adeniji and we are continuing in our series of the THINKALLY tutorials. In the last tutorial, I think tutorial 10, this is tutorial 11. In the last tutorial, I showed you, it was beginning to get interesting. I showed you how to add students onto the platform, what are the information you need, and we were able to get through that. In this particular tutorial, again, it's getting more interesting as I'm going to be showing you how to add assignments. One good thing about THINKALLY is it allows you to upload assignments, whether as the admin or as a teacher, and it also allows the students who are viewing the assignment to also upload their answers, such that when teachers log in back into the system, they see the uploaded answers and just it continues that way. So let me quickly head on to how to upload assignment. Again, I must show you, just like we've been saying, that the assignment sub menu is hidden inside the academic menu. So you have assignment here, right here. Okay, I click on assignment. Okay, fine, let me log out and actually log in into the account which we have been using. Remember, we've been using a particular demo account called Galaxy. Password. Okay, so we log in into the demo account and you have your school over here. All right, so I head on here, I click on assignment. Yes, presently or currently it may appear as if there are no assignment, but as we have been doing, you see this right here, this is where you click to see which assignments have been uploaded for which class. Okay, I go back, I click this. Let's see what assignment has been uploaded before now. Okay, yeah, there's one here. This is the only assignment: title, description, deadline, class, section, uploader, file, and action. Of course, you see these three buttons here. This is view, and this is edit, and this is delete. Okay, all right, so now I want to add assignment. That's where I go, add assignment. Okay, what do I need to add the assignment? I need the assignment title. Just give it a title, maybe mid-term break assignment. Yeah, assignment doesn't have to be given only at mid-term breaks. Assignment can be given, as a matter of fact, every day, you know, because parents are excited when they are able to see at home what we are doing in school. Wonderful system we have here. Okay, description, let's give it a description. Mid-term break assignment, answer all questions and submit before deadline. Just something. So what is the deadline? I want them to submit this assignment latest this date. Okay, this assignment is for which class? Remember, I'm working as the admin. If the teacher had logged in into their own platform, they will still be able to do the same thing. Of course, teacher should be able to upload assignment, but admin has overall privileges, can do what every other user can do. This class, maybe for this class, no, yes, for that class, basic 1, section, basic 1. I could pick more than that. Subject, I'm uploading an assignment for which subject? Let's say for English language. So now this is the uploader. You have to go and select the assignment. I don't mind me, I don't have any assignment here, but then let me just pick one out of here. Okay, yeah, just any file. It could be PDF, it could be Word, it could be Excel, it could be JPEG, it could be text file.txt, the common file formats for giving assignments. So now that is it. I then click on add assignment, and that is it. I have uploaded. Depending on the size of the file, it could be a bit slow. But then, how do I see the assignment here? Basic 1. I want to see the assignment I just uploaded. Yes, that's it. This is the assignment. Mid-term break assignment. Answer all questions and submit before deadline. Deadline is 31st of January. class is basic 1, section is this, uploader file, this is the file. As the admin, I could easily click and download the same assignment I just gave right now. You see, I could just download it, it downloads, right? I could view what I just did. So here's what I just did, and I could, of course, I could edit it. Yes, I can. I can edit it, and if I'm not editing, I could simply delete, but I'm not going to do that right now. Okay, now what do the children see when they try to view the assignment? Can we quickly check that? Do I know the username or password of one of the students in basic 1? Because I will need to log in as a student to see what the children are going to see. Oh, children in basic 1. Okay, this is one of them. I think I know that. Okay. All right, so I want to log in as a student so that you see what I'm talking about. Username and password. I hope I got it right. I just hope. Yes, I got it right. Now this is the student interface. The student quickly heads on here just the same way, academic and assignment. That is the student interface. Yes, look at the assignments that has been given. The student can easily download the assignment, as you can see. The student can download by clicking, or just upload their answer. Wow, great. So let's say this is the student has downloaded the assignment, and then he goes ahead to do the assignment, and then after doing the assignment, he wants to upload the answer. Can you see it? So click upload for that particular assignment. Where's your answer? Look for your answer somewhere. Maybe. All right, don't mind me. Maybe this one. That is the answer. If that was the answer, the file that contained your answer, then you add your answer for that particular assignment. Can you see it? Again, so an answer has been uploaded for this one. I want to also apply. I'm the student right now. You know, I logged in into this particular student's account. So also I want to upload an answer for this one. Maybe after the assignment has been downloaded and solved. You understand? Okay. So where's my answer? I don't know. I don't have any answer here. But then maybe this one. Whatever the answer is in whatever file you have put it. Add your answer. The answer uploads. That is the answer. Don't mind the name. Don't mind the name of the file. That's just what I was able to lay my answer in my computer here. So the answer is being uploaded now. The answer to the particular assignment uploaded by the admin or by the teacher in the other platform. So that's done here. Let me return back to the admin account and see those answers that have been uploaded by this particular student. So going back, Galaxy. Now I keep saying Galaxy because this Galaxy is the demo school that we created. It could be whatever. That's just user. It could be your own. Of course, if you're using THINKALLY, you must have your own username and password by now. All right. I click sign in. Yes. Okay. So let me head on back to that assignment. This is about to get this interesting. This is wonderful. That's the beauty of THINKALLY. I head on to select class, that particular class that I uploaded assignment for now. So now for this assignment, I click view. So you see what I'm talking about here. Wow. So Shayo Alonge, which is one of the students in that basic one, has submitted his own assignment. You see, he's the only one. He's the only one that has submitted an answer to the assignment. Now I can easily download his answer. So it works back and forth. It works both ways. teacher, school is able to upload assignment, student will do the assignment, also put it in a particular file supported by the system. It could be PDF, Word, Excel, JPEG, that's an image, or Notepad, that is .txt. So long as the assignment is in a file recognized by the system, the student can also upload their answer, and the teacher or admin on the other end will see the answers that have been uploaded. Isn't that interesting? That is the beauty of THINKALLY. Again, in case I didn't say that, THINKALLY is Nigeria's largest school management software. Largest in the sense that currently we have over 1 million students using THINKALLY, and that's interesting. And those students are spread across over 1,000 schools, all our member schools. Every year we even hold THINKALLY conferences where we learn wonderful things, ICT innovations and all of that. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please join me in the very next tutorial as we continue to adding timetable, creating timetable. It's very dynamic. So I see you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.